grep is my favorite CLI tool, but there's one thing that drives me absolutely insane about it, and once I found the fix to it, I felt kind of stupid not knowing it sooner. You have to hear this so you don't have to go through the same pain. If you have watched my videos, you know that grep literally got me a job, so it has a big place in my heart. But it drives me crazy how it finds everything, including all the garbage that I don't want. When you are dropped into a large code base where there's no docs, just folders upon folders of files that have been accumulating over the years, and you run grep trying to find one thing, you get all of it, even the files you never expected to see. But I got some good news for you. There's a tool that solves this problem, and it's called the ripgrep. It's an amazing tool built on Rust, and here's how it performs against grep. If we don't use exclusions, this is what happens. Right away, you can see that ripgrep finishes almost instantly, while grep happily prints a bunch of things I don't care about. And here's the interesting part. I will add the exclusions I normally ended up writing to the grep command. It's still faster to cast the rg spell, and the command is also shorter. Less typing, less stuff to remember. And that's why you should also give it a try. But why is rg faster? Take a guess. It uses parallel search by default, which is faster than scanning files one by one. It automatically respects gitignore and skips noises like node modules and build output, without having you to manually configure exclusions every time. In practice, you spend less time writing the command and more time actually finding what you are looking for. If you need more exclusions, you can configure your own ripgrep rc file. You can set defaults like smart case and line numbers, and keep the lines readable in terminal by using max columns. Personally, I really enjoy having the smart case on, because that was a feature that grep didn't have, or I didn't know about. And as always, the goal of these videos is to spark interest in learning these technologies and not to cover every detail. So explore it further, experiment, and find if it fits for you. But why is grep still my favorite tool after all? When it comes to availability, grep has a clear edge when compared to rg, because every Unix-like system has that by default. So whether you are on a remote server, in container, or in a minimal environment, rg often isn't installed, but grep is available. Also, grep is a very helpful tool to be in my toolbox when I have to search for files that rg would exclude from the search. I also use gitgrep, which is also a fantastic tool when working inside Git repositories. But if I have ripgrep available, that's my default from now on. So go find your favorite tools, because that makes programming more enjoyable. And if you want to go deeper into tools like these, check out my other videos on my channel. But now I want to hear from you. Is there a tool that you are interested to learn about? Drop a comment below, because that might be the next video. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Until the next time, craftsmanship of code.